Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're selling items from your Shopify store to countries outside of your region that are using different currencies, you need a currency converter. This makes it a whole lot easier for your customers to know how much they're paying for their products. So let's get into it. You're going to go over now to the left-hand side and access your apps. And here you want to tap on all recommended apps, and right at the bottom there's a link for the Shopify App Store. Now alternatively, you can just dial in apps.shopify.com, and here you want to look for currency converter. Okay, let's hit enter and you will see an assortment, a large array of different options. Now, as you can see, out of the 863 apps, they all pretty much do the same, but what we want to use is the best currency converter. Now, the reason we're using this one is because it's been tried and tested and it's actually pretty good. Easy to set up. So let's click on that. On the left-hand side, as every other app will show, you're going to tap on install. And then from this page over here, we're going to go over to the right-hand side and tap on install again. This basically is just asking you for permission to access your Shopify store. Over here, you can see we have a free plan and an elite plan. For now, we're going to use the free plan because you do get 5 currencies. All right, that's fantastic. And you get the flags and layered themes. That's also awesome. We're going to go ahead and tap on choose this plan and say okay. And the nice thing about best currency converter is that there are no extra sign up steps that you need to take, entering your login details and sign in details. You're literally onboarding right now and we're in. So over here, we're going to go ahead and click on the click here to see how. So we need to change our money format. Okay, so over here, it'll show you the steps to get in. And I'm going to just show you, you can use this as a guide, but what we're going to do is jump back into our Shopify store. Let's close this window and go over to settings on the left hand side. This is now our Shopify settings, and we're going to stay in store details, and we're going to come down here where it says store currency, and we're going to just hit these 3 dots and we're going to say change currency formatting. All right, so from here, we're going to go back into this page, and it says over here in both text fields, copy and paste this. Let's copy that. Let's use Control C in front of the formatting text. All right, so that means we're going to paste it right over here, and we're going to paste it over here as well. And we're going to go back in here, and it says in both text fields, copy and paste this piece. So we're going to go ahead, select that, Control C, jump back in there, and right at the end, we're going to use Control V to paste. And again on the side, Control V. You can see that that's what it should look like. And we're going to tap on save. Our next step involves just going back into this page over here. They give you further instructions, but basically we are done. We're just going to go ahead and go back. Now, before we save, we're going to go down here and we need to select currencies and we need to enable this app. All right, so with the free plan, you only get those 5 currencies. So what you can do here is actually change the currency. If you were using the paid plan, you could go ahead and add currencies. You could add all currencies, and then you can completely customize this. We're going to tap on enable app, and then we're going to go down here and tap on customize theme. Now on the left hand side over here, you can see that this app is now toggled on. So that means it's on, and you're going to go ahead and on the right hand side, you can actually see what it looks like. We're going to tap on save, and we can go back to this settings page over here, and we're going to tap on save again. Now from here, we can go over back to our Shopify store, and we're going to click on the online store and the little eyeball button, and this will allow us to view our store. Now over on the right hand side, you will see the little flag as well as the currency denominations, and you can now go ahead and choose which currency you would like to view this page in. Now, if this guide was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. This will allow us to continue making awesome videos. We'll catch you in another one. Cheers for now.